What is going on, everyone? Christian Lezama here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up a Facebook ad on Facebook Ads Manager, and I am going to be teaching you how to set up a homes list ad. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and name the campaign. So we're going to name it homes list ad, and then the price point that we're marketing, which is going to be $250,000, and then of course put the date. So 10, I believe today's the 28th. Let me check real quick. 27. Okay, so 10, 27, and then 20, right? This allows us to just go ahead and keep track of where our ads are going. Also, when we test and run multiple ads, again, it just helps us keep track of that. Next, we're going to want to make sure that this is switched on. And we're going to want to go ahead and select housing since we are running a real estate related ad. And we're going to go ahead and click lead generation right here. Awesome. So we're going to scroll down, click next. And boom, this should pop up. So again, we're going to want to put homes list ad again. And then the price point, 250,000. And then the date. Awesome. Again, you're going to want to select your page that you're going to be marketing off of. I'm just going to use this client's account as an example. If you haven't run an ad before, you're going to have to accept the terms, which it should be right here. Just a simple click of accept. And then, of course, your daily budget, you're going to want to establish that. I suggest in a month or 30 days, you should be spending anywhere between $500 to $1,000 directly on ads is where you see the best ROI. Again, that's $500 to $1,000 just strictly on ads. You're going to see the best ROI within that. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click right here. So we're going to want to go ahead and go to this menu right here. Click people living in this location. And then we're going to want to select the location you're going to be marketing. So for this example, I'm going to use San Antonio, Texas, right there. And you're going to see right here, you can't go any lower than 15-mile radiuses. Again, that's because we selected that we're running a real estate related ad, and it does limit us to, it does limit our targeting to a certain extent. And that's one of the things that it limits right there. You're going to see right here that we cannot change age or we cannot change genders. Again, that's the same reason we're running a real estate related ad. What we can do is target behaviors though. So people that are looking on Zillow tend to be looking for houses. So we're going to go ahead and type Zillow right here. Awesome. And the next one's going to be realtor.com right there. Again, these sites are the first sites that people go to when they're looking for houses. So to be able to take their audience and basically have your ad run across their audience is a huge thing because, again, that's where people are starting their searches. You are able to target language here. So if you're only English speaking, go ahead and target English. If you speak both, Spanish, English, whatever the case may be, you can put both on there, or you can just leave it open. If you scroll down right here, you're going to see where it says placements. We're going to want to make sure we click manual placements, and we're going to want to make sure that we unselect the following. We're going to unselect Instagram Explore page, stories, stream, and articles. And that's because our ads aren't optimized to be running across those pages. If you run an Instagram story, you kind of see how it takes up the whole screen right here. Our ad's just going to be a little square, so it's not going to take up the whole screen, not going to catch attention. You're just going to be wasting money. So you're just going to want to make sure that these are selected right here, and also search. You're going to want to scroll down, go ahead and click next. And this is where the magic happens, where the ad creative, this is where the ad creative happens. So, like the pictures, the text, all those types of things. Let's see right here. Again, we're going to want to name this. Awesome. And you're going to want to make sure you select your Instagram account since we are having this ad go across Instagram placement. You're going to want to select your Instagram account that's connected to your Facebook page. For the images, right? So images, I love doing these 4 square images you're going to see right here. Let me go ahead and pull that up. So as it loads right here, it's going to be 4 squares, 3 pictures of houses, and then 1 picture of a kitchen. That's always caught the most attention. Again, 3 pictures of houses, 1 picture of a kitchen. depending on the price point you're marketing, if you're able to find a 2-story home, and of course you're going to find 1-story homes, try to mix in both in there. I've seen a lot of success with mixing the 1-story and 2-story homes in there. But if you can't find any 2 stories within your price point that you're marketing or the location that you're at, it's okay to put 1-story homes, but just make sure you have a kitchen in there as well. Awesome. So the text is going to be right here. Let me go ahead and copy and paste that. Boom, so you see it right there, attention, and we always like to call out our audience, San Antonio home buyers. So if you're marketing in Dallas, you're going to put attention, Dallas home buyers, looking for a move-in ready home at the price point at the perfect location. Your search is over. We've created an exclusive free list of affordable homes under, and then again, we're doing the $250,000 price point. Make sure it always has the price point there. $250,000 available in San Antonio area. Click the button below to get exclusive access to your free list of homes now. Right, and that's the call to action. We're telling them what to do, and they're going to click this button right here. The headline is going to be beautiful homes under 250,000. There you go. That's going to be our headline right there. You can also add an emoji just to capture again their attention. Where's emoji? And you can put either a house, you can put the this right here, that pointing finger pointing to the button. Both of them have worked very well. And we're going to scroll down a little bit right here, and we're going to want to click learn more. So we want them, the learn more button has a lot more success again on people clicking through. So you want that learn more button. And then we're going to want to create a form. And this form allows the lead to go ahead and submit the information. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Before we do that, I'm sorry, I forgot. Before we do that, we're going to want to copy this text right here. So we've created a exclusive free list of affordable homes. And we're going to use that text inside. We're going to use that text inside the form. So create form. You can name the form, again, the price point that you're marketing. 250,000, just so you don't get confused. You're always going to want to click more volume, and higher intent just means you're going to get a lot more people with, again, higher intent on actually submitting their information. But we use more volume just to get more leads going through. Let's see down here. Again, where we copied that text earlier, we're going to go ahead and paste that right here. So we'll be creating an exclusive free list of affordable homes. We're going to put that right there. And we're just going to put free homes list under 250,000. Awesome. So free homes list under 250,000. We've created an exclusive free list of affordable homes under 250,000 available in San Antonio area. Okay, we're going to go next to the questions. So right here, we're going to want to type, where can we send details? And then this is where they're going to input their information. You see, as I did right here, you're going to add a category and add their phone number. That way they can submit that. I always like putting full name at the top, email, and then phone number. Really doesn't cause any differences, but that's just the way I like to format mine. Privacy policy, you're going to want to make sure you put your brokerage privacy policy here, just letting the leads know that you're not going to be selling their information, those types of things. So just for placement, I'm just going to put google.com right here. But again, you have to make sure that this is your privacy policy link. Sometimes your brokerages, all you got to do is just search up, for example, Keller Williams privacy policy. You're going to find their link, copy and paste that right here. Completion. Upon completion, you're going to have, thanks, you're all set. You can now view your list of homes. Sorry, click the view list button. Okay, we're going to want to make sure we put this in parentheses. There you go. And then right here where it says call to action text, you're going to put view list. And you're going to want to take them to a website, right? That website is going to be where your IDX feed is at. And from there, you can preset the search criteria to make sure that it's, the ad that you're promising, the $250,000 price point, whatever price point you're marketing. You're going to go ahead and type that IDX feed link. So just for is this, I'm just going to put IDX. There you go. And you're all set now. You're just going to want to go ahead and click publish right there. And boom, now you have a place where they can submit their information, and they can also receive the lead magnet that you're promising, which is the homes list. You're going to be using, again, your IDX feed within that, and you're all set. So from there, you're just going to go ahead and click publish. Your ad will go under review through Facebook. Facebook will approve it if they don't see that you're going against any, real estate laws, which you're not on this ad. If you completed the steps exactly how I did in this video, your ad should be approved within 24 hours. And then from there, it's just going to be running, on a daily basis. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment them below, and I'll make sure to look through and answer every single one. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a thumbs up. And if you know anyone that's wanting to run their own real estate ads, show them this video. You're going to help them out tremendously. You're also going to help me out. So it's a double whammy, killing two birds with one stone. Without further ado, thank y'all. I'll see you on the next video.